Did someone call for some luck?
I'm Cricket Crockett, and don't worry guys, I'm gonna be the only one to check to see if your friend Sniffles is okay. Okay, I'll be right back. Sniffles, are you alright, huh?
Dear God! What the hell happened here?
What's the matter with you blokes?
What's wrong, Cricket?
Look at all that mess. Thistle, Sniffles might have just exploded, and I don't know who did it yet.
Don't worry, Cricket. When I'm here, I'll make sure to revive them and fix them just like this.
Mate, why does he look like that?
I don't know, man. Probably one of the minions accidentally inflated him with a water hose.
Oh well, we can just push some of the water out of his belly, but his belly might be still a little big, though, but we will try to get him back to normal. Why do I hear something?
Watch out!
Don't turn!
Oh no! Cricket Crockett got shot! We need to take him to the hospital now!